Smartphones. Most of us have one. But why exactly are they called smart? It's not just a fancy name. Picture this. You're navigating a new city, capturing stunning photos and managing your work emails, all from your phone. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secrets of these amazing devices. First up, why are they called smartphones? These aren't just smartphones. They're mini computers. Equipped with advanced processors, they can handle complex tasks and run sophisticated apps. Their operating systems like iOS and Android support millions of apps that make our lives easier, more productive, and more fun. From banking to gaming, they do it all. That's what makes them smart. But with great power comes great responsibilities. Basic considerations to keep them safe are crucial. Imagine losing all your data, contacts, photos, and important documents. Scary, right? Here's how to keep your phones secure. Use a strong password. A weak password is like leaving your front door wide open. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable biometric security. Features like fingerprint and facial recognition add an extra layer of protection. Avoid sketchy apps. Only download apps from trusted sources, like the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, let's talk about restarting your phone. How often should you do it? Regular reboots can clear out temporary files, refresh your device, and enhance performance. Think of it as giving your phone a good night's sleep. Aim to restart your phone at least once a week. Now on to other safety and security tips. Beware of public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's also a hotspot for hackers. Always use a VPN and avoid logging into sensitive accounts on open networks. Keep your software up to date. You know, those updates you keep ignoring. They patch security flaws that could be exploited. Regularly update your apps and operating system. To update your phone, go to your settings. Look for the software update option and follow the instructions. This ensures your phone has the latest security enhancements. Enable remote wipe. In case your phone gets stolen, having remote wipe enabled allows you to erase all data from your device to protect your information. To enable this, go to your phone's settings, find the security or privacy section, and look for options like Find My Device on Android or Find My iPhone on iOS. Activate the remote wipe feature from there. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, your phone is a treasure trove of personal information. Taking a few extra steps to secure it can protect your identity and data. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.